In this video, we're basically going to complete our item here. We want to put in all kind of borders here, and we have all these 4 different borders. Let's put them back here in. Oh, this one we don't have to. We don't need this one yet. We can just put in here an asterisk. But this one here we will comment out, or remove the comments from it. And here we have here, let's say this was dotted, this is dashed. And then finally we're going to use the border right style. So the border right style will give the right side a styling. Border right style. And here we can say double. We get a double line. And once we refresh here, you can see now we have this entire item here. And we have 4 different sides. 4 different border sides here. As you can see here, top, bottom, left, and right. And what we're going to do now is, with this, of course, we have basically also here this. So there is, of course, a nice way to do this immediately in case you need multiple items. How can you do it? Let me show you as well. Well, I will show you in the next video. I will show you how we can combine all of this into one single border style shorthand. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.